Akusawunyaka like yamnyaka kuphelile yamnyaka
Ela tokaleyo bamba lo muntu. Mabamba. Sama sis.
kuphelile.
Mama camera man.
Hey, what's good people? It's a boy here, Mr. Blessings, guys. We back again with another banger, and I'm here with these two lovers. Here with
Hope aka
Ngapha.
Sithola mandralama 1.1 moratata, one man one bullet can't tholakala. Damn man.
Can't get what?
Can't tholakala. Kusho ukuthi mangifuna ngeke ngithola, uzongithola vele. Ngiyavela like angitholakali nje.
Oh,
Damn man.
okay. So I've got a few questions for you, ne?
Yeah.
What makes you to love this guy?
Personality. He's a loving guy and a caring guy.
Mm-hmm.
And he takes care of me the way I want him to.
Like, what do you mean? What he takes care of you financially or
Financially.
Pela? When Ngapha, my brother, what makes you love her?
Yo. Like una respect. Like uyangeneke ebantwini yazi. You know, yeah. Like,
But when first time you saw her, now beside irrespect and everything, what made you love her?
I don't know what to say, but yo. I mean, the first time ngimbona ngivele ngathatheka mfethu yazi thina majida mos. Ngivele ngathatheka nami ngiyabona uyalo. Lo ya. Lo mama wasendlini. Uyithola.
So when approach her, how did you go about it?
First day vele ngimlandile angikhomela umntwana yabona.
Washa lokho bu hard to get.
Like shuke wabona umuntu ufuna ukukhuluma naye mara. Ku-actor as if like akafuni yabona. Manje ngoba mina vele anginqini. Uyayithola.
Waphuma kuye vele.
Ngoba lento lokuthi ayithi ngimiyeke yabona. Akusasa ngithola ngigezile. Kusho ukuthi first time ngimlanda bengingadizaba.
Futhi bombashile.
Like bengibuye ebholweni ngishaya ishoti yabona. Uyayithola.
Avula thali
angithatha cheap ngale ndlela yabona. Manje kusasa kwakhona ithanga ngibona ngithola ngigezile vele.
Wabona vele ushaya smart.
Hawu yabona ukuthi intwana encane hayi ishisa ngidlula igiza.
Wamkhoma.
Mina ngashaya ibhomu.
Yimi lo.
Ngashaya ibhomu ngamdlula angibulisa umntwana. Ngambheka ngathi uyangibulisa. Athi yes, I'm greeting you. You know, I'm that girl yesterday you talked with me. But oh, it's you. Ushapo. But yeah, please take my number, see and stuff. Ngamkama number wami. Ngathi mara ma serious uzongitext if awukho serious. Hayi angazi. Uyaphela lapha ethu mangifika endlini ngithola umntwana ngitextile. Before kusho ukuthi ungitext same time mangiceda ukuvaya. Ayithola.
Already she was charmed vele by the guy.
Same time mangifika lapha ngiyabona le text le phela kusikudala lo muntu nginaye. Ayithola.
Wasomchamile ke.
Bheka yo. Mangithi ngiyasimile umntwana yo akabambeki.
Ngisho lelo langa vela udlanga vele that day.
Lelanga le mina. Mina ngidlile ngoba ngisho yena kadlanga. Ayithola. Mara mina ngidlile. Uyacava why? First day ngimlandile ngichomela ayithola. Ngoba lento lokuthi ayi mina hayi. Angini. Ayithola.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa ke. So my sister wena why bomrejectile vele the first time when I was approaching him?
Like I came motole but what like chill basically. I love a clean boy.
Or you were trying to play some hard to get or something or
also that, but like the next day when I saw Uti, no, this guy buzz and like he's a great guy. I'm like, okay, let me give him a chance.
When you decide he's a great guy, what made you decide he's a great guy?
First thing I saw, it was he's clean.
Okay. He was clean that day.
Yeah, he's
the day before Veli Baramba
yeah.
And the following day, what
like I saw someone I never saw. It's like it wasn't him.
What this time around, some niggas a chance.
Some need chance.
Bekasitshela ukuthi angene emabhavini. Cabanga ukuthi ngibona
ngavele wahlala 5 hours.
ucabanga ukuthi ngibona icrocodile emanzini kanti hayi. Ngezihile.
Ogezile. Walala ethabhini.
Yo athatheka umntwana mara vele nami isikhathi masiya ayithola ngivele ngathatheka.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now my sister ngapha. How much do you trust this guy?
I won't say 100%, but like 85, 90.
85, 90.
90%.
Okay, let's see what happened to the 15% in the short time.
Like, usually I don't even trust the guy myself. I don't.
You don't trust the guy?
Yeah.
You know, like you once had a relationship, you were disappointed. What makes you not to trust the guy?
I once had a bad relationship. Yeah.
So the mistake of this other guy is what is making you not to trust the new guy?
Cheating.
Oh, okay. Wena ngapha, how much do you trust my sister here?
10 out of 10.
2 out of 10?
Yeah.
So una vele kahle on a scale of 100 vele 100%.
100%.
Awuna ukuthi vele ama doubt inyanga or something ukuthi vele uya
Angithi cheat alikho. Yeah.
So na sometimes unokibamba na iphone ka sister ngapha or
Ifoni yakhe? Nginokuyibamba ifoni yakhe yabona. Yeah, yonke into correct.
ukuthi vele ipassword ayicava niyana.
Ngicover yonke into yabona everything.
No, okay.
Yeah. Maria mia akazayibamba.
Why ngabambe yakho?
Ifoni amadoda yabambiko.
My brother. Now do you agree with this?
He's a man, basically. He's
Now
the
you're
one-
woman.
What should I say? It's his phone.
Hey. My brother, you have to share ngisho libambe yakhe phone.
For what?
So hey bana. Hey bana. Angeke ukuthi ubambe yakhe phone, mara yakho wena ufuna ibambe.
In their house, who's the head between a woman and a man?
Akusebenzi lokho ukuthi like the head was.
So ngipha yona thi ngicela ungibambele. Uyivulile and mina obvious ngijida ngabana ngizofuna ukungena lapha. Ngitshela ukuthi angifuni.
My brother. So for the fact that he's not touching your phone ubambe yakhe phone.
Angithi akayicela.
Hey.
Yeah. Ask, you shall be given.
Kusho ukuthi vele awumnikeza because akacelanga.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So na my sister
But na magayiceli mus.
uyayithatha nje.
Yes. And then he just opens it.
So na you okay with that vele ukuthi yakho uyibamba mara wona ungabambe yakhe.
Yes, because he's my man.
So my sister, like, is there anything that you would want to apologize to your boyfriend? Maybe like maybe a move.
Yeah.
Nothing. Are you going to fish or something?
There's nothing.
Wena ngapha my brother. Ikhona into vele ongathi vele ufuna uyikholisela vele ku my sister ngapha. No, sure.
Yeah.
No, okay. So guys, here snake mesidlalayo. But
I don't want peace. I want problems.
we exchange phone just for 60 seconds. Ne? So besicheka vele ukuthi uba no cheater, uba no ngacheat, something like that.
So benisibize kwaloko khalti la.
Tell me now what I'm do. Oh, what I'm do? What I'm say?
Jahile.
What's wrong with that?
No, besijahile.
Ona phone vele sicheki phone.
Mine, it's fine. You can check it.
Like very jahile ke khani bersatsamaya.
But they called us.
No, ke ra hore bersatsamaya na.
Where are you going?
So a re tsamaya manje re sa emetse.
You gotta show me this shit. Better say how.
Tsamaya re jwang?
Wait, are you hiding something?
No, I'm not hiding anything.
So
But
what's
bersatsamaya.
the phone?
My brother, for the fact that you are on the phone, you are doing something behind the scenes.
I'm not doing something.
You're wasting his time and our time.
No, my phone is off right now, man.
Asizoyicharge ngiphe no power bank.
Ah,
How do you do that? How do you do that?
Awusitong ngayako. My brother, where's the phone yakho la?
wabafa vele.
Re batha ke nako tshwantse no mo fa phone re kgone tsamaya.
What's guy phone ngapha my brother?
Akuna lento exciting.
Hey, no fihla something la iPhone.
Futhi next.
Sikolo sivulele ngapha my brother.
Futhi next mfethu.
Sikolo sivulele ngapha.
Ukhohle password.
Vula baba, sivulele wena ngokwakho. Yes, my brother. Songena la ku WhatsApp. So my sister. Cela lapho ifone ubhale ukuthi I love you.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Now.
Kimang mbali.
Ema,
Mang
bathi
bali. Maybe ubhuti wami bekasebenzisa ifoni yami yabo.
kanjani?
Sitsana kutewa sitisa phone yo.
Like phone yabe isinyeyile.
Wakabhala live efonini yakho.
No, like ubhuti wami mfethu like ayithola uyena ukusebenzisa ifoni yami yabo. So manje ukusebenzisa ifoni yami ubhala bo live you, I love you, I love you, I love you ayithola.
Kubhalisa yena.
Wathuba no uthumba lokho umngishela kabhuti wakho. So ubhalisa ubani?
Mntwana sekhaya.
Masakha ubhale I love you.
Akuruka simtsebe mfethu like ish.
Mama sisa, ngikhulumiseshe lapho. Bhala ukuthi sex.
Ngathi senizadinga manje why?
Ifone yakhe ilokhile lapho. Wasicela usivulele la. Long bhala ukuthi type sex lapho.
Vele umbali nopalisa futhi.
So ubhuti wakho uye bacela isex ukuphalisa no.
Palisa kanti kusimtasikini.
Ish. Wena uyabhora wena mfethu.
Uze cheating singapora man. My brother. Kuba nopalisa.
Mntwana sekhaya ngithi ngitshela like cousin yakhe.
Mntwana sekhaya.
Cousin yakhe.
Manje sokuyi cousin yakho manje.
Angithi cousin umntwana sekhaya kuyafana mfethu.
Mtasikini kanjani?
Mntwana sekhaya umphalela uthi ufuna isex.
Akusimi.
Ubani?
Maybe umngane wami bekasebenzisa ifoni yabona.
Bafo.
Plus umngane wami ufuna like umntwana sekhaya yabona. So ngamboleka yona. Like in township. Like in tap mfethu.
Palisa mtasekini manje umngane wakho bekafuna like uyazizwa nesitoko sakho nje asihlangani.
My brother, just admit makubambile bafo.
Mina ngicheat like ngiyamthanda lo mntwana.
Mara uyamthanda mara uyacheat.
Ngicheat like mara now me understand ngumcheat mfethu. Yo. Like
Chita. Mom chita kunani?
Wathi umjita kahle same wathini umroho wathini ngifuna ushintsha sometimes with KFC
ngichange thola like
what's the explanation again
Jona to chita ngizojona lezi.
What the hell is going on?
Understand.
akere ke abutsuri butaka ba berekisha phone
Uthumbali palisa yena.
balisa kungana kwa hayi
Mtasikini
una limthito bamnyaka bana so atsebisa phone
my
ya
brother yabona isitori saka sihlangana
wena ngathi yo
isitori saka sihlangana my guy ngapho sinini na utuphuti wako manje abangani bakho no sozo nesinye istory
uyamamela
Ngisibonela, there's nothing to listen.
washalo ratsama
Ngekhaya mina.
ama sister masimshiye lo yachita let's go
like
yachita bafutha phansi yachita
They are very annoyed.
yachita
Akusawunyaka like yami yakuphelile.
lapho sokaleyo bamba lo muntu sama sister
Phelile yami yakuphelile.
bye bafo
Phelile.
Nawe tima makamera man. Chita. Tela ngeke. Musho achita okay sharp ngiyavanye ekhaya. Ish ngeke. Yeah.